ऑल ऑफ यू, मैं डॉक्टर ऋषि जायसवाल, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन फिजिक्स, श्री रावतपुरा सरकार यूनिवर्सिटी, रायपुर, छत्तीसगढ़. Today's my topic is interstellar medium. Firstly, we see content. Interstellar medium, interstellar gas and dust, nebulae, types of nebulae, and last one is formation of stars. Firstly, we see interstellar medium. Space is not a perfect vacuum, and the space between stars is filled with materials that provide the building block of star. The materials contains gas and dust, collectively known as the interstellar medium. Interstellar gas. In interstellar medium, approximately 99% is composed of interstellar gas and its mass. In interstellar gas, about 75% is hydrogen and remaining 24% is helium. In ISM, only 1% is dust. It is made of carbon, iron, and silicate coated with water or ice. The interstellar dust has two major effects: reddening and extinction. This is the diagram of reddening and extinction. नेबुला. नेबुला मीन्स यहाँ पर बादल का हिंदी नाम ही नेबुला होता है. द वर्ड नेबुला इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड फॉर क्लाउड्स. स्टेलर नर्सरीज आर मेड ऑफ क्लाउड ऑफ डस्ट एंड गैस. क्लाउड टेक मोर डेंस देन इट्स कॉल्ड नेबुला. मोर देन वन नेबुला आर कॉल्ड नेबुले. ओरियन नेबुला. ओरियन मीन्स कालपुरुष जो हम रात में देखते हैं. ईगल नेबुला. टाइप्स ऑफ नेबुला: एमिशन नेबुला, रिफ्लेक्शन नेबुला, डार्क नेबुला, प्लैनेटरी नेबुला, सुपरनोवा रिमनांट्स. एमिशन नेबुला. दिस नेबुला इज सराउंडेड young star cluster. Emission nebula emit their own light, so it is called emission nebula. Emission nebulae can be found in many areas of night sky, on the famous being the Orion nebula. Reflection nebula. This nebula does not emit its own light, it reflects the light coming from the nearby the stars. The Pleiades is a good example of a reflection nebula. Dark nebula. If the light is coming from the stars and passes through ISM dust, if the dust is thick enough, the light is completely blocked, leading to dark areas. This dark cloud is known as dark nebula. The Horsehead nebula is famous example of this type nebulae. Planetary nebula. A planetary nebula is a cell of gas produced by a star as it near the end of its life cycle. They actually have nothing to do with planets. The ring nebula M57 in Lyra is one of the best example of a planetary nebula. Supernova remnant. Supernova remnant are created when a star ends its life in a massive explosion known as a supernova. The explosion blows a large amount of the star's matter out into space. This cloud of matter glows with the remains of the star that created it. One of the best example of a supernova remnant is the Crab nebula M1. Birth of star. Clouds of gas, mainly hydrogen stars, collapsing under its own gravity. Protester. As the cloud collapses, the matter heats up about approximately million degrees. Fusion begins, a star is born. This is the diagram of pp chain and cyano cycle, means carbon, then nitrogen, then oxygen. Russell-Ode theorem. Planet. Jupiter, for example, has a mass of about 0.001 solar mass. Central temperature never come close to the 1 million Kelvin required for even the simplest nuclear reaction. Brown dwarf failed star. Core temperature approximate 3 million Kelvin, hot enough for the first stage of nuclear reaction, but never hot enough to establish stable hydrogen burning. Low mass star, very long lived, but will never reach temperature hot enough for the helium burning. Solar type star. These stars, like the sun, will burn hydrogen to helium via the pp chain and will burn helium to carbon via the triple alpha process. These stars will reach high enough core temperature to burn hydrogen via the CNO cycle. These stars, more massive than about 8 solar masses, will have a large number of nuclear burning cycles, and their cores will be more massive than the limiting mass of 1.4 mass Chandrasekhar limit. The birth and death of stars. फर्स्टली कोलेप्सिंग क्लाउड होता है, फिर न्यू स्टार बनता है। अब ये रेड जाइंट बनता है, उसके बाद इसमें दो प्रोसेस होता है। अगर ये बहुत ही मैसी होता है तो ये एक्सप्लोजन होकर सुपरनोवा रिमनैंट या न्यूट्रॉन स्टार बन जाता है। यदि ये सन लाइक स्टार होता है, मीन्स इसका मास सन जैसे होता है, तो ये वाइट ड्वार्फ एंड प्लैनेटरी नेबुला बन जाता है। थैंक यू।